Each day in the US, 4.94 million students go to school, which means each day 4.9 million students face the same stress: what they should wear to school. Clothing is a way that students can express themselves, be comfortable, and it helps them embrace their individuality. However, clothing marketing towards kids and teenagers is often problematic, as it can be distracting, revealing, and dividing. The resolution before us today is that schools should require students to wear uniforms. We, the proposition, support this resolution because school uniforms have been shown to keep students focused on their education, create a level playing field among students, and improve attendance rates. Many are against school uniforms because they feel uniforms promote conformity over individuality. Though this might appear to be true on the surface level, the opposite is true because uniforms help students stay focused on their education. A study notes that the National Association of Secondary School Principals stated, when all students are wearing the same outfit, they are less concerned about how they look and how they fit in with their peers. Thus, they can concentrate on their schoolwork. Taking away the distraction of what everyone is wearing may seem like a trivial change. However, it is proven that it lowers students' stress level about their appearance and allows them to truly focus on the task at hand, learning. To further that point, a study by the University of Houston found that the elementary school girls' language test scores increased by about 3 percentile points after uniforms were introduced. An increase in test scores is a true testament to the importance of uniforms, as it allows students to take away all distractions and achieve at high levels than ever before. By focusing on their education, students are developing their thoughts and voice as an individual, something articles of clothing could never foster. Additionally, school uniforms work to create a level playing field among students, which ultimately reduces peer pressure and bullying. According to procon.org, when all students are dressed alike, competition between students over clothing choices and teasing on those who are dressed in less expensive or less fashionable outfits can be eliminated. Research by the School Wear Association found that 83% of teachers thought a good school uniform could prevent bullying based on appearance or economic background. Founder and director of the Center of the Parent of Education at the University of North Texas stated that all kids on the same playing field in terms of their appearance. I think it probably gives them a sense of belonging and feeling of being socially accepted. All people at the most basic level need to feel comfortable and accepted in their environment, and a school is no different. In order to learn, students must feel they belong, and school uniforms take away a huge variable: feeling different. When everyone is wearing the same article of clothing, there is no longer a sense of competition among students. Rather, it welcomes everyone to feel comfortable and themselves. This level playing field is a crucial development for young minds, therefore showing why school uniforms are so important. Finally, schools should require students to wear uniforms because school uniforms have been proven to increase attendance rate and decrease the need for discipline. One study showed that a Youngstown State University study of secondary schools in Ohio's 8 largest school districts found that school uniform policy rates of attendance, graduation, and suspensions decreased these rates pretty severely. Something so simple has had a tremendous impact. Along with that, during the first semester of mandatory uniform program at John Adams Middle School in Albuquerque, New Mexico, discipline referrals dropped from 1,565 during the first semester of the year to only 405, a 74% decrease. The data speaks for itself here. A 74% decrease in discipline issues is not only remarkable, but also virtually unachievable with any other intervention. When students aren't distracted or worried about what they are wearing or what their peers are wearing, they feel a sense of connectedness to each other and a change of their behavior. A sense of community helps students understand that they belong and also helps create a strong school culture. To sum it up, it can clearly be seen that school uniforms are incredibly beneficial for both students and schools. Students need a place where they are comfortable, focused, and most of all, feel accepted, which uniforms absolutely help create. Without uniforms, students' emotional and academic life would suffer, making uniforms an absolute necessity in school.